In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do motion graphics in Canva. So whether you're a beginner exploring the world of design or an experienced creator looking to add some flair to your projects, today's tutorial will guide you through creating dynamic motion graphics in Canva. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open Canva. If you haven't already got an account, signing up is quick and easy. Simply head over to the Canva website or open the app on your device. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by a broad array of design options. Next up, let's create a new design. You'll see options to choose the type of format you want, from custom dimensions to prepared templates like Instagram posts or presentations. Select the format that best suits the project you're working on. This choice will set the stage for your motion graphic design, so pick something that aligns with your end goal. Now, once you've chosen your design format, it's time to get creative. Click on the Elements tab on the left sidebar. This section is where you'll find a rich variety of design elements, including shapes, icons, and illustrations, which can be animated to enhance your graphics. Adding the elements comes next. Drag and drop any text, shapes, icons, photos, or illustrations that you want to bring to life onto your canvas. The ability to animate these elements is what will give your design that dynamic edge. Place everything where you want it and think about how you'd like these items to move. With your elements in place, it's now time to add that animation magic. Click on any element you wish to animate and then select the Animate button located in the toolbar. Canva offers a range of animation styles to choose from, so feel free to explore different effects to bring your vision to life. Many animations allow you to adjust their speed and direction, ensuring they fit seamlessly into your overall design. Spend a few moments tweaking these settings to your liking, as they can significantly impact the final look of your motion graphic. Faster speeds create excitement, while slower motions might be better for more serious or sentimental content. Pay special attention to your text elements as well. Just like other design assets, text can be animated to add emphasis or direct your viewer's attention. Select your text, hit Animate, and explore similar options to those used for other elements. If your project involves multiple slides, Canva also offers transition effects between them. Navigate to the Transition option and choose one that complements your animations, ensuring a smooth visual flow from slide to slide. Finally, once you're happy with your creation, it's time to share it with the world. Click the Share button, choose to download it as an MP4 file, and save it to your device. And there you have it, a fully realized motion graphic, ready to captivate your audience. Creating motion graphics in Canva is really that simple. It's a fantastic way to take your static designs to the next level, and with practice, your skills will only continue to grow. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I can't wait to see the creative projects you come up with using these tips. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.